In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams group name in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're renaming a project team, updating a group title to reflect a new focus, or just in the mood for a change, Microsoft Teams makes it simple and quick to update your group's name. Let's walk through the steps together. First, let's get into Microsoft Teams. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. You'll be prompted to sign in, so go ahead and enter your account details. This step is crucial because you need to be logged into the account associated with the group you want to rename. Once you're logged in and looking at the main Teams interface, direct your attention to the chat section. This might seem a bit intuitive since you're looking to change a group name, not necessarily send a message, but all your group chats and teams are accessible here. Now within the chat section, scroll through your conversations until you locate the group chat you wish to rename. This could be a group you use for coordinating work projects, organizing event details, or just staying connected with a circle of friends or colleagues. After finding your group chat, look for the edit icon, which might appear as a pencil next to the group name or in the group settings. This icon represents the ability to make changes or edits to your group's information, including its name. Clicking on this pencil or edit icon will open a field where you can type in the new name for your group. This is your chance to be creative, clear, and concise. Remember, this name will be visible to everyone in the group, so make sure it's appropriate and reflects the essence of the group's purpose or its members. Once you've typed in the new name and are satisfied with it, it's time to make it official. Look for the Save button, which could be located nearby the field where you entered the new name. Clicking Save applies your changes, and voila, your Microsoft Teams group chat now has a new name, visible to all group members. A few additional tips to keep in mind: this change is immediate and will update for all members, so it's a good idea to inform your team of the name change if it's significant. Also, consider the clarity and relevance of the new name to ensure it continues to serve its purpose for all group members, and there you have it. You've successfully updated your group name in Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your team's space organized and relevant. If you found this guide helpful, remember to check back for more useful tips and tricks to make the most out of your collaborative software tools. Thanks for watching.